Hi guys, this is Life of Wanoga. Once again today we are cooking dinner. I want to show my grandchildren how to cook chicken. So we have a good chicken here which we are going to cook.
The chicken!
This is the full chicken.
Shusho! The chicken got on there!
What is this?
It's... What is...
What do you call this?
Let's see. Tarantula!
And this one?
Moroka.
What do you call this?
Tomato, I want one.
Okay. And hiyo itaenda kwa kuku yetu.
Which also means in English means that we're gonna use it to make chicken.
Yes. And we have also tomatoes from our outside garden.
I want to hold this one.
Okay.
I hold
So
this big.
twina ini haha na goro. Iguo turenda kuruga nguku ngima.
This one's big and red and looks like an apple. This one looks like an apple.
And they say
Big and red.
What did you say the chicken has?
Eyeballs.
What is that?
Yeah, it has eyeballs. So this.
You can touch it.
No.
Why?
I don't want to touch that.
Touch it. It's
No.
These kids of America, how are you gonna know how to cut the head of the chicken? You know, we do that back home.
Shusho. We already know because we can just chop it.
Can you cut the head of a chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, because chicken is eatable.
that looks
And you have to cut it before you cook it. So guys, till next, we'll show you how it will come out.
Wait.